Okay, the previous videos I have done have been deleted as it complicated things. So instead of using the J5, I will be using this webcam. It's just as good as the J5, except for the quality can be a bit poor. But with having said that, I'm going to show you the stage of how the Movie Maker works, and the whole editing process is starting with file preparation, and you will see that using this. So what I'm going to do is still have the tethering active, but I'm going to send it back over to my other laptop so I can start the editing process and start with the showing of how Movie Maker works and what you can do with it. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. Right, okay, what you're going to see now is a full view of how you use Movie Maker or Movie Maker. What you want to do is you want to select, sorry about this noise business, but you want to select a video from your folder and you want to drag like this to this bottom bit, which is Movie Make. You can't see on the screen right now, but you want to drag the video over to here, into here, and in this part of the Movie Make app you drop it there. That is part of the process of Movie Make. I'm going to show you the second part now of what happens when you start to add the pieces together. Okay, so on the bottom here you have got the progress bar, which is in green just here, and what that is actually doing is making ready. There's no preview here as it's in progress. It shouldn't take too long as it's approximately halfway, and there you can see, sorry about the noise there, but there you can see the little timer icon. That is the preparation of the video that's been edited. So then what you're going to see next is the video in a complete clip, and what I'm going to do again is I'm going to add another, so then you can see firsthand the whole entire clip or clips that is being edited, like I said, on this side. And this part here is the stage of editing. To the left is your preview underneath there with the just here, and here are your actual slider, time frame slider or timeline slider. On the left of the play button you can see here that's your next frame and that's your previous frame. So when you press this, you can definitely, sorry about the click noises, but you can see on the bottom that the timer is moving, and you can move the slider, which is this part of the Movie Maker, up and down. It takes a bit longer if you're doing it slightly, as a process, but if you want to get the whole thing and you want to edit certain parts out, you can do. You can just move it along like so, and you can check from the bar here where you want it to be and where you want to edit. So you will see now the parts of the video. It's not being played at the minute, as you can see, but as you can also see at the bottom, that is the time-lapse, not time-lapse, the timeline slider, the playback slider rather. And you can see there, you can move it from this part of the editing process, or you can move it just by going to this and click drag. As you can see, it's also moving the slider or the bar and also moving the preview at the same time. So you're actually moving it up and down, and there's the time going up and down. So my arm's actually killing a bit, but as you can see, it is now moving up and down, and that is the first part of the editing process. Right, I have shown you how Movie Maker prepares the files, the video files and other types of files, except for the photos. That prepares it straight from the bat, as they're only megabytes. The videos are more than 100, so what that means is it takes a bit more longer for the file to be prepared and organized, or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the sorry about the pause. I'm going to show you the editing process of these clips and videos, or clips videos, or whatever you want to call it, to help or aid or assist you in how Movie Maker works. Yes, there is a lot of videos in or on YouTube explaining how Movie Maker works from experts, but given my point of view, alongside those other YouTube videos, it would be alongside up front with those. So without any further delay, I have my webcam ready so I can shoot the other screen. I also have, and you will see this, I also have my other cam that's set off at the ready, and what you will see now is the editing process. So without any further delay, let's get right to it.